Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Miami Beach local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move long distances to or from Miami Beach, call 3 Movers. We know the Miami Beach area, and we only hire the best Miami Beach movers for our crews. Our representative will come to your home or business and thoroughly review the scope of work you are planning ahead of your moving date. We will explain how the long distance move is estimated and billed and what services you can choose to make your relocation easier. If you want us to do the packing, that's no problem. If you prefer to save money and do the packing on your own, we can provide the materials for you and give you some tips on efficient box loading. When you move long distances, it's essential to select the level of liability protection that is comfortable for you in case of loss or damage. Our agent will explain the options and what each one costs. No job is too big or too small for 3 Movers. We are ready for a local move, and we can schedule a time right away to come to your home and give you an estimate. It's a good idea to get an in-person rate quote for your move, even if you aren't going far. Plus, it helps us determine how much time the work will take and provide a more accurate price. If you are moving a business instead of a home, we can help with that as well. Our guys have moved just about everything, and we take pride in our happy customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Miami Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.